Prophet to Elisha wayetunyiwe emazurini bafika naboJohana
Ikhona nami, so like I'm like a standby.
Okay, alright.
For now, on 10 episodes, Mr. Zolo.
Alright.
It's alright, I'm calling Zovuga. Then you have to set an alarm, and then 4 o'clock. So I get on size. But then, I'm in studios, send any hashtags Vusabale.
Okay.
So basically, you send a WhatsApp voice note on 065-933-7170. That is 065-933-7170. No musfonelo on 086-10-10-300. That is 086-1010-300. Just
Oh yes.
No ban.
Oh yes.
And turn of Saban.
Bani. Galisi Catalyst.
Yes, Galisi Catalyst. And so Monday morning,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
at the morning, like the weather outside is not looking too good.
Umsomluko uvama ukuba nezinkinga eziningi. Umsomluko khona baphetha at Monday babalas.
Yes, Monday babalas.
Khona balale bedle into zabakhohle ukuthi fathi baye emsebenzini kusasa namhlanje. So namhlanje isikhathi ukuthi mabavuka. Asibavuse ngempela ngoba manje bazosela bazohlekela umsebenzi wabo futhi ngokunjalo.
Manje baphuza ngoba bengazi ukuthi bayavuka on Monday.
Khona abantu angithi khona bephuze ngayizolo. Ayithi umuntu echa ngiqeda le nto leya kanti akabona usayibulala.
Kodwa sosebazi. No, sosebazi. They're quite sure ukuthi lewe ngiphuza manje. Kusasa enhlamini yekuvuke.
Oh yes. Tell me ngoba mina ngiyafika mhlambe njengoba ngifika namhlanje la ukhona ungazi ukuthi nje kwenzakalani manje oqala nokuvula iradio namhlanje ubani uDr Khehlelezi.
Dr. Khehlelezi is inyanga and an archbishop, but nyanga. He's also isangoma ngoba uyabhula.
Oh yes.
So and he's an archbishop of Izinto Isithaluska Jehovah elise Mahlabathini in Verulam. Izinto lamaZayoni, like the olden days Zayoni Gugu, Isikhalanga, Kutukutukutukalanga, everything. They do everything. Sitholakala Verulam Mahlabathini. He's also a very young man. I smell good, I look good, and I dress very well for Inyang.
Wow.
Just to elevate his status so and say that it's no longer abantu faka imbadada and about kids before amapai and beads na yonke. You can also like tutuga and also be
inyanga lena ngathi ithanda ukuthuthuka mbithe ethuthukile.
Modernized nyanga. Yes. Modernized nyanga. That's what wraps up the modernized nyanga.
Okay, usebenzela lapho ngempela?
Usebenzela Verulam eMahlabathini. So that is north.
Okay.
It's north?
Yes, north.
Yes, north. North of Durban, yes, north of Durban.
Umuntu ongazi ngoKhehlelezi useke wezwa ngemsebenzi yakhe ethile. Kodwa manje ufuna ukwazi ukuthintana more naye direct noBabukhehle umthola kanjani?
So if ufuna ukuthintana naye directly ufanele ukhulume nabasebenzi bakhe. So you call in number 087-550-1177. That is 087-550-1177. The number is a call center like. So you call through. Basiyasho ukuthi press 1 bafuna complain. You want to ask about chemist. You want to inquire about anything. And then ufonela leyo number. And then if you want to bookings foods because on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays we say Verulam. On Thursdays we say Goli, and on Fridays we say Cape Town. You have to like westernized doctor. Westernized with slow. We are 4 now into booking and
medical doctor like
medical doctor. So you have 4 hours into booking with the they give you a date. They must have instructions. And if you guys Mahlabathini, abasebenzi bakhe they're gonna tell you to bamba public transport with and if you have moto directions. But if I'm moto, you can just literally go onto Google. It's gonna pop up Google Maps and then it's drive is
wow.
Simple as that.
Wow. Right. Sithi lapha ohlelweni kakhulu ka Dr. Khehlelezi lapha sikhona eThekwini namaphethelo ngithi silalele ukhona awuvuse umuntu oseduzane kwakhe awuvuse lo amakhreno wakhe awuvuse le mngani wakhe lo owazi kahle ukuthi ulale eshaya something.
Mhlambe nishaya nobabili.
Yes.
man. Sekuvukile wena.
Wake up call. It's a wake up call actually.
Yes, it's a wake up call.
It's a wake up call.
But uhlelo ka was wake up call. So
Okay.
I think seyiqalile.
Oh, okay.
I think seyiqalile. Like let us into it.
Okay. Kungathi sizozala sizosebenza
Khuleka. A lot of people work very well with me. I'm easy to work with.
Oh yes.
I pat myself on the back.
Oh yes. Okay, so the next song. Oh yes, this is Boma 103 FM. My name is Vusi Zondi. Mr. Cool, I'm going to be cooling your radio. I'll make it sure everything is cool wherever you are. Ulalela lapha uhlelo lumnandi kakhulu ka Dr. Khehlelezi. Ngihamba lapha nosibutubut.
Awudabani wathanda isibutubut. Angazi what's the excitement ka isibutubut.
Why bakubiza usibutubut? Why was it done?
I don't know. Yes, it's a very funny story.
Yeah,
I don't know. I was on air. The next thing, my name is Buto.
Really?
Yes.
What's your surname?
Kunen.
Oh, Kunen.
Yes.
Oh, Madlogof. Oh, Noma. Oh,
Mtimande.
Mtimande. Oh, Mtimande. Oh, yes. Yes, Mtimande. It's called Unene no Unene. So
yes.
that's where that is confused corner.
No, it's Kunene. It's Kunene. Yes, Mtimande.
Yes. Tell us where's Butubutu. I'm a product gas Khehlelezi. Atholakala kanjani? Ayimaphi futhi? Enzani futhi?
That's a big one. That's a lot. All right. So, well, for my products, you can literally go to Ama Chemist. So he has Ama Chemist nationwide.
Right.
There is a few in Durban. There's a Cape Town. There's in Johannesburg.
Okay.
There's also
in Cape Town.
Yes, there's in Cape Town. If you last year, if I'm not mistaken, it was halfway through the year.
I went to Sbututi. Khona umuntu ophesha kwelwandle.
Yes.
Whatever country akhona phesha kwelwandle. Ofuna ama products ka Khehlelezi. Wenze njani?
We call a number Put Musa that I'll leave at the end of the show.
Right.
You contact him and we are to Melaga, but it has to be in bulk order because of my duties.
Oh,
so it has to be in bulk orders.
Okay. Enza nama product.
They literally exist here. It's cheaper than going to Yena or Professor Khehlelezi.
Okay.
So if usola ukuthi, let's say for example, Slwan or whatever it is, like we are solar, like you see the signs, you see the dreams, and you just go there. For chemist, ukhuluma nabasebenza khona. For gini popiteka 1, 2, 3, and 4. Quite any product engangisiza, and they're like, yeah, sure. And there's a product here, and then you buy it, and then you go use it.
Ngicabanga ukuthi abantu abafundile abayingeni lezinto zesinto and so on, but manje mangizwa abantu ukusha uveteza ukukhuluma isingisi kanje kuthiwa ukuthi hayibo kanti niyayisebenzisa.
But our products are Professor Khehlelezi, like shower gels.
Okay.
Literally like shower gels. I'm like, get it in the hotel.
Alright.
Shower gel yakho.
Okay.
There's a shower gel yakho umuntu abonisa usebenzisa umuntu.
Wow.
Innovative.
Abasingene malokuzena kuma
voice
note sizwe ukuthi ngempela bantu bathini lapha bekhona emakhaya bavusa abantu ngempela.
Okay.
#Ezibaluleke sabona Sbutubutu mistake.
Oh. All right. Uthi Mr. Bana umzana kahle.
Sedlabini.
Oh yes, point of correction, Mr. Zondi.
Zondi no ndaba Luka.
The next one. Wow.
My gosh.
Time is exactly 25 minutes past 4 o'clock. Wona umsakazo wakho Vuma 103. The next one. All right.
Sbutubutu khosilelo. Uvusa abangani bami basebenza ejokini ingane encane onaleda bavuke manje bamba emsebenzini. Hayi ke asiselwa ke ejoki. Ngiyabavusa ngiyabakhumbuza kodwa nje akuselwa nje ejoki hlale phansi endlini sosebenza ngey'ngane zami sekusile ikhosiland yanivusa ukanilonke ikhosiland imnyazi umancikazi.
Khaleli Bell yasho ukuthi vukani ngampela vukani bo.
No one's ever late uzuthi akekho nje oselwayo.
All right, this is omunye.
Okay, this is the last time we After this, sokhuluma about Slay Queen after the song. Sokhuluma about Slay Queen.
Alright, umsakazo Vuma 103 uhleli lapha nokuvusi ke nosbudubudu sizwe ukuthi ngempela kwenzakalani lapha kuma product yakhe ubaba uKhehlelezi udokotela uKhehlelezi udokotela khona abantu bakhuluma ngezinyanga khona the moon and the traditional which is the one okuyona esisebenzisayo.
I think singena into detail manje. I feel like singena into detail siyas confused thina ke isizulu singasazi kahle.
Okay.
So inyanga is also a moon.
Moon, yes. Yeah, kuyazisho bese. But traditional is a traditional healer.
Traditional healer. Sikhuluma ngomuntu traditional healer.
Yeah.
Shots khona confused.
Ba confused abanye bazi ukuthi inyanga yini moon kaphela. Yes.
No, asithini ngoba kusa-early. Most probably like no from sebevukile though. 4 o'clock nje umuntu fa usevukile sehleli. There's no excuse.
Alright, the time is exactly 28 minutes past 4 o'clock. Kuna nomsakazo wakho Vuma 103. Kama lami nginguvusi wakazonde Mr. Cool. I'm calling your radio. Namhlanje kumnandi lapho khona nosbudubudu.
Can I ask a question? Why Mr. Cool?
Because I'm very cool. My voice is cool.
Oh
yes.
Okay. I see funny laugh. It's perfectly fine. No need to continue.
All right. Okay. And Beyonce. Umculo mnandi kakhulu uhambisana negazi ngethemba ukuthi umculo lo oluthola njengamanje uyayithinta indawo. It's a cool music wakwazi ukuphela kusekuseni kumsomluko asifuna into eziqhumaqhumayo kumsomluko kuthula ohlaniwe cha bese uthi siqhumaqhuma kodwa mina ngifuna into ephansi ekhalela phansi.
Really? Yes, umvusa umuntu nje with a little bit of a piano.
It's a Monday. We need umqondo ukuthi uqala uhambe negazi uze cha kumnandi impela bese uvuka.
I think I'm at 2000 or big to differ.
Really?
I would think so, yes.
I disagree. Athini kama voice over, ama voice note 8 anamhlanje.
Good morning, Sputuputu. Hey.
Okay. Right,
Sputubutu.
All right.
Ndiyaniva apho ninamazwi afresh. Uthela noZamkhanda lapha eCape Town wakhwaza isibongo. Original I'm from Cofimbaba. Ngilale ngokwamabele Nthumbi. Ngifuna ukubusa balele abapha eCofimbaba bonke. Ndithi makuvuke guys ayilali isukelo. Imameli show yinde nabela guys. UDoc uzoba khona nini ngicela ukubuza yena.
Doc uzoba khona nini?
Tomorrow. I did say tomorrow.
Okay.
He needs his rest. Poor man needs his rest.
Ukuphumula njengawo umuntu. Kuyaphunyula mfethu kuyaphunyula yes. Yabona manje usebenza kakhulukazi manje usebenza abantu banezinto zabeziningi as umuntu omprofeti njengalomuntu ophethe abantu so kuningi okwenzakalayo kuyena emzimbeni wakhe so udinga ukuthi na relax na akukhululeka na yes
just for today. Tomorrow I'm pretty sure he's going to be back.
Awesize enye voice note ithini konje?
Sibonani bezimake.
Hawu washesha wanqamuka yena wenze njani? Okay, akasiphinde simdlale futhi.
#ngusabalele. Vusa Sputubutu uqhubula kangibone vukile kahle ngiyamazi bese vukile. Lamvusa mphaphamisela ngenzeke ngishaya nonke. Awuthatha ukuphaphama kancane. Ngasengivusa la ngisenza nabo. Ezongana ukuthi i-shift kumanje yokuthi umbuyiseni wakwandlovu ndovusa kusekiseni wakwantule madoda. Sexile. siyakhona ayikho enye indlela ekufanele senze ngayo silindile umlomo iyasho umshini bese-ke ngivusane isandla sami mfumuzela okwalamini uManclair ngivusa.
Okay, so basically Slay Queen is imbiza and it is uzifo zonke. I'm pretty sure if I say zifo zonke, umuntu already understands what imbiza njani. Ayibabi, even me, I even drink it and ayibabi, so ayibabi and sola like umuntu wakhe ngathi udlisile inakho ukuthi ikhahlele lo dlisile.
Wow. Uzifo
zonke nje iyacleana umzimba wonke. If usola nje ukuthi udlisiwe, you can buy it, drink it, izophuma idliso. Isusa umeqo, isusa nesichitho futhi, yehlisa ushukela, which is diabetes, and then igeza umzimba omubi wenza uthandeke kubantu, like literally wonke umuntu ugcine kulandela sibotoboto, yes
ingakho landela nawe.
Well, you can say that. I mean, hello.
Okay.
And then if unenkinga yephunga futhi iyakusiza kakhulu uSlay Queen. And then icacisela amaphupho futhi if umuntu owakhohlayo amaphupho, if you drink uSlay Queen it will assist you to akhumbula amaphupho akho. And then after 14 days uyamphupha naye umkhulu as well.
Really?
Yes, after 14 days uyamphupha naye umkhulu. Don't ask me how. Kuthiwa imfihlo zasebunyangeni. Imfihlo zasebunyangeni. So now uyamphupha after 14 days. So yes, that is our Slay Queen.
Wow.
Yes.
Usho nje manginenkinga ethile esemzimbeni ngizwe umzimba obuhlungu nje ngisebenzisa uSlay Queen.
Hamba nje ekhemisi futhi uSlay Queen and if usisi futhi or umama ufuna ukushisa embedeni.
Oh yes.
Wathi yes kakhulu ngalazi.
Yeah.
Wathi yes kakhulu futhi yes. You can buy Slay Queen. It's going to work wonders for you. In the bedroom.
Oh yes.
China.
Oh yes.
That's what I've heard.
What about men's?
Amadoda, they can also use Slay Queen. Okay. It's unisex. So anybody can use it. They can also use it from small children up until the older children, even if umama ekhulelwe. And also Slay Queen. But there's also another product for abantu besilisa that is strictly for abantu besilisa for vusalondugu in the bedroom. Seventh the whole night. Oh, kuze. And the name is kuze. You basically guessed the name of the product. Yes.
Tell us, magic oil yenzani ngempela? Yini magic oil mokhuluma ngayo ngempela?
Okay, magic oil it's quite small. I don't know how many milligrams it is. It's very, very small, but it does a lot. Like it does a lot. It's for umuntu or funa ukuthandeka kwabantu. They can also use magic oil as well. If ufuna amathenda or sebenza ngamathenda, you can use magic oil. If ufuna umsebenzi, you can use magic oil if uzohambisa CV or you're going to go for interviews. And igni's advantage futhi emsebenzini magic oil. Ixosha izitha, ixosha amaphupho amabi, ixosha otikoloshe or izilwane. Iyalapha futhi na stroke. So nakhona it also assists kwabantu abagamblishayo. So if you're going to go to like a casino, you can buy magic oil and it's going to do wonders for you. It's your own little secret.
Wemlaleli ngithi kuwe uyayizwela na uyayisholo yena hamba uyothola magic oil.
Yes, magic oil. And futhi bafuna ukushisa impepho, you can also use it to uconsise kwimpepho. Ukushisa impepho ukhulume nabantu abadala.
That's a tricky question. Doctor.
Okay.
Khehlelezi.
Yes.
If mina ngingazwani nento ekuthiwa imithi ngifuna nje angiphe ngiswasho angithi umfundisi.
Yes.
Uyakwazi ukungenzela lezo zinto?
Yes, if you go to church on Sunday. If
Really?
you go to church on Sunday, uphathi ibhodlela lakho elinamanzi Yesu uzobusisa amanzi akho.
Really?
Yes. And even if uyile and you don't know, sorry ngene emlomeni, asithi nawazi ukuthi you don't deal nemithi. Mhlambe abantu abadala abazwani nemithi and you only use iswash. Uzokutshela abasifela esigodleni ukuthi no, awuyena umuntu wemithi wena, umuntu weswash. And if he also can assist you, ukutshela ukuthi kuthiwa ngikutshela ukuthi uvuse izonto zokusiza kule nkinga onayo.
Oh, uyahlola futhi.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. Jack of all trades.
Hey, okusho ukuthi angibi nayo inkinga ukuthi manje ngifuna ukuhlolela kuqala ngoba kubaluleke ngani ukuhlola before ukwazi ukulashwa.
Uzosihlolela wena yini ufike uyothi ngiphethe 1 2 3 and 4.
Yena afika pick up something wena.
But if you pick up, he does not work like that. Ufike angene and then uqala uhlole like your first consultation. Kumele akuhlolele. Yes, so he finds the root problem.
Right.
Because ungafika wena uthi hayi ngiphethe amehlo ngiyasola ukuthi ngingabantu abadala. Kanti that is not the case. There's a bigger problem. So qala kuhlolele, then after that base yakulapha kalenda ay pick up ile.
One more question.
Okay, hopefully it's not too difficult.
Uthi mbuzo.
Okay.
Uma ngabe ngifuna ukuba nemali eningi. Ngifuna ukuba nemali eningi.
Wallet ami qhube. Yes. So khathela madum. Yeah. There is a product ekuthiwa ubaba ka magic oil.
Oh, yeah.
And ikhona nesigubhu esincane futhi that you can actually buy a chemist.
Okay.
So it's at your disposal, literally.
Another question.
Okay. Another
question.
Okay.
Khona abantu abathi mina ngifuna ukuba nesigubhu.
Okay, igubhu.
Ngifuna isigubhu mina. Engizothi mangithi ngikhuluma nesigubhu sami ukutheleka imali.
Okay.
Kwenzekalani? Ziyatholakala?
Lezi specifically la la special ones la imali engathi ukuthi ziba nkulu. Ukhuluma lezi.
Yeah.
Okay, if you want those igubhu, you also have to make an appointment to go see umkhulu. Uqala kuhlolele first.
Zihlukene ngani?
Yo!
Really?
Yeah. You need to know your business if you want to school.
Okay.
You really need to know your business because I think the most expensive goes into the millions.
Really?
Yes. The most expensive goes into the millions. So we are gonna hlolele just to see if it's going to work with you, and this was one now, and then basiyaknika ama directions. That is why ungekwazi ukuthola like on Facebook or umfonela umtshela ukuthi manje mkhulu sacela isigubhu. No, you have to go physically to esigodlweni. Qala kuhlolele, does everything for you. Akuchazele ukuthi njengoba umathatha isigubhu sale mali lesi, this is what you need to do, and this is what you need to do, and this is what you need to do.
Okay, abona manje njengoba ngidlala umshayina.
Umshayina you need to funa ukukhumbula ukuthi usebenza nomuntu ngathi sasilungwana. Manje umshayina I think of a China.
Indlela yokugembula yakudala kwakuthi ebiza ngomthu umshayina. Bese kuba khona amahashi. Udlala amahashi.
Like betting on horses.
Betting, yes. So Hollywood vele ngiyakhona. Ngiyakhona vele ngiyakhona ngoba ngiza Khehlelezi. Now lapho khona shona khona uma umdlalo lokuzana.
You can just go to a chemist. You don't even need to go to him directly. How be a chemist? Ufike ubatshele ukuthi udlala umshayina, you betting on horses. Bazokunikeza
udlala amaphepha. Amadayi.
Is it even legal to dlala amaphepha? Last I check up bebaleka bayokufika ama points. I'm not quite sure kodwa ngiyengibone nje.
Basuke bazi ukuthi akukho legal ukwadlala. That is why they run bebaleka. Yes.
Okay, so yeah, they just go to a chemist bafike basho ukuthi bayagembula iyiphi yona gambling that they do, and then must tell the product that is fitting for them.
Mhlambe mlalela lapho khona ekhaya kukhona umbuzo ofuna ukuba nawo mhlambe ngasifonela enambeni ekhona 086 1010 300 086 1010 300 mawuthi mhlambe kukhona umbuzo onawo nangu sibuthi esekhona only few minutes esenawe nje ambambe nje ngampela ukuthi cha sibuthi usekhona. Tell us atholakala kanjani ama product akabawa uKhehlelezi?
Okay, so akhona ama chemist as I said in and around South Africa, if I can put it in that way. Ikona Durban CBD, ikona go 407 Salmon Grove, go Anton Lembede was on Smith Street. It's shop number 1B. And then if you're Verulam, it's on the Department of Labor, like literally inside the Pick and Pay building, and opposite clinic, yes, Verulam. And then if you go to a Cape Town, Zoitola at 32 Vartakant Street, opposite Hollywood Beach, funny enough. 32 Vartakant is a Cape Town.
Oh, girls, what is
Vartakant. So it's opposite Hollywood Base
Okay,
as well.
okay,
Like because
okay.
street holiday.
Okay.
Ngathi uqeda ngithenga la ngena ngalo Hollywood Base.
Okay, ukuze wazi ukuthi ngempela
Isebenze kahle
isebenze.
And then if we say East London, uzoyithola at 21 Gladstone, opposite Library East London, inside East Central Square building. And then if you go to Pretoria, uzoyithola shop number 33 inside Eastern Towers building at the second 8271 Pretoria Street. And then if you go to Johannesburg, uzoyithola corner of Elof and Commissioner Street in Marlborough House at the shop number 4. And then Witbank, uzoyithola 16 to 20 Lewis Dorntown next to Top Spa.
Ha, ngokusengqondweni. Yeah.
I've been reciting it for years.
I thought uzobona iphepha uliphethe esandleni
Sengena like fidgets and look for it.
Kokela kule ngqondweni nje kephumele
Sengena to fidgets. I can't know ibhaliwe phansi.
Okay,
But I've
okay.
been reciting it for years now, so sing yes.
Wow, time exactly 15 minutes to 5 o'clock. Kulo msakazo wakho Vuma 103. Musempangeni noma siko Richards Bay uzothola ku 89.2 FM. Mufela ngapha lezi ndaba ezingapha ku site 105 point something, yeah.
Yeah, we do 105 point something. And they call 104.2.
Yes.
105.2 is Dandy, Danhauser and Glencoe.
Yeah. All right. I was saying about music wethu namhlanje ukuthi ngempela uthini music yazi phela yazi inkulumo kuzimnandi ufuna uyithesela ku music
Yes, but nje ukuvuka kancane
bathi
abantu.
phaphama kancane umsakazo uvuma 103 ngengoma enjena lena athi umuntu wakho that's why I love you by Major ugenza njani
Lalela, I will say yes, man, shut it in the young kid right now.
Wow.
Let us just get married now. I love my good morning text. Was I there?
Wow.
That's fine. I'm ready to get married. I'm ready to be Mrs. I'm ready to do everything.
insizwa seyintweni leni isuke insizwa seyintweni
Kodwa babuye bakhohlisa nalezi ngoma. Yakhohliswana la ngaphandle.
Sibonabudu, let's come to business yosuku namhlanje ithini. What is a lifestyle?
Okay, so umkhulu also, as I said, jack of all trades. Une lifestyle. Zo's lifestyle. Ithola khona everilem ngase literally. Before first Scotland udlule lifestyle. And you will not miss it. Literally, you will not miss it. You literally see it. Says.
I heard ukuthi une funeral parlor or something.
Yes, he also has a funeral parlor. Our branches are corner. You ungathola Lady Smith nase Porshepstone inside ama chemist. Oh yes, there's a pharmacy in Lady Smith part Alexandra Mall. It is shop number 10, and then in Porshepstone is 1784 Spinks building opposite Sheppey Mall. Now corner, if you ungena phakathi if ucela ukuthi ngifuna inquire about Dr. K Funeral Services, uzofika uthola usizo corner, and then eStenga uzoyithola 51C Mahatma Gandhi Street. There is like an independent branch corner, and then in Durban uzothola 155 Julius Nyerere owaziwa ngoWarwick Road. So ama branches are corner la just for inquiries.
Le ye funeral uwenza njani mawufuna ukujoyina? Let's say mhlawumbe ngifuna anginayo funeral izinto zokungcwaba.
Yes.
Ngenza njani mangifuna ukufihlela baba Khehlelezi?
You can go there or figure and inquire. Kodwa uzofanele uphatha ama documents. You need to bring supporting documents as well. In you.
Funeral.
Dr. K Funeral Services. As it is. As it is.
Njoba injalo nje.
Dr. K Funeral Services.
Ukahle uyalapha. But mase kufika uThixo ukuthi makenze umsebenzi wakhe esekuthatha uyafihla bakuthatha kubeke indawo dignified.
Yes.
Wow.
Dignified funeral.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
And then going back to Imzo's lifestyle, if you want to host like after parties, baby showers, pool parties, number of staff parties, or any other entertainment events, you can also host it corner Imzo's lifestyle.
Wow.
For like an easy number na corner, it's a call center number. It is 087-822-1747. That is 087-822-1747. Any other inquiries bafuna ukubuza nge-lifestyle, you can literally ask umuntu ozophendula icini.
Okay. Bengayazi ngiyayiqala ngisho kuyizo le funeral.
Yeah, there's a funeral. Cheap foods. I took like 60 rand.
Wow.
Literally, I think like 60 rand.
But yenzani iphethe umsebenzi noma ikunikeza imali?
Iphethe umsebenzi and you get money don't you?
No. Yeah, umsebenzi wonke ukufihla konke
yes, even ublanket awudingayo, coffin, ukhathatha umuntu yoma emakhazeni, everything they have it, they do it. So stress when you get airtime food as well, even ama-muffin nama-scones,
okay,
you also get it. It's part of the package.
But asichaze lokho, there's no money eza kuwena, but into eyenzekayo uyakusavisa kuphela, akunikeze lawo ma-service owadingayo, uyakungcwabela athatha umuntu umzimba ekhaya awususa awusemakhazeni abuye nawo, and futhi busufika futhi treat ngendlela right as umuntu olahlekele, ufeel ukuthi ngempela usekhaya mula kwa Dr. Khehlelezi.
And if you pick up kakhulu like the last package, uyafika yena siqu sakhe afika zokungcwabela. Aphathe umqondo. Yes.
Wow. Yes. And mangithi ngifuna MC nje ozongenzela uhlelo yakwazi ungiprovidela lapho.
I feel for the last number package le.
Okay.
I think it's Plan D.
Plan D.
Plan D, yes.
Wow.
If figure 9, he is part of the package.
Time is exactly 5 minutes to 5 o'clock. Ulo nomsakazo wakho Vuma 103 FM. Uhlelo Mr. Khuli in your radio.
Yes, Smutubutu. That's the name I got. The first time I ever sang as it.
Angithathele ithuba ngibonga njengamanje sephathi si baleke fethu.
Okay, before sibaleke bangishaya abantu, if uhlala phesheya kwezilwandle and you want to make ama order ungafanele uphutumusa, as I said, on 082-960-7514. That is 082-960-7514. Social media ukhona umkhulu on Facebook as Nyanga Utumumzo, on Instagram as Dr. Khehlelezi, on YouTube as Dr. Khehlelezi. Please don't forget to subscribe, press the bell for notifications, meaning ikhona on Facebook and Instagram as Usmutubutukunene. This is on this social media? Don't you have?
Yes,
21st century?
Yes.
You see? Yes.
I do have.
Okay,
But I'll give them details tomorrow.
Tomorrow,
yes.
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much. Ngiyabonga ukuthi siphathane kahle namhlanje.
Khuleka kuphethe mina, khuleka.
Producer wethu phela.
Yes, Malibongwe Gumede, Umali the producer. That is our content producer.
Yes, siyabonga kakhulu. Njengamanje sewesikhathi lapho siyakhona umfundisi uzosipha izwi lenkosi namhlanje, maNkosi ukuthi phela kwenzakalani emhlabeni, uNkulunkulu uthini kuthina, uthini kuyena umfundisi. Asibonga kakhulu nako umusic